Hello guys, in this video I will talk about Chia and what you need to get started. First of all, what is Chia? Chia is a blockchain named cryptocurrency that uses proof of space and time instead of using expensive hardware that consumes exorbitant amounts of electricity. Chia is using leverage existing empty hard disk space on your computer to farm cryptos with minimal resource and such as electricity. Chia blockchain created by Brian Coin who is one of the founder of the BitTorrent and is creator of the torrenting concept. And okay, how to farm Chia coin. To mining Chia, you need 2 terabyte and more SSD space. SSD should be M2 because its speed is important, and very large HDD. If you have a question why you cannot use only HDD in Chia mining, because SSD is 8x in read to 20x times in write faster than HDD. Also, you want for mining Chia strong CPU like Ryzen 5 and more strong CPU because Chia needs such a powerful processors that has good many cores and threads. Also, you want big memory like 32 or 74. This is a list of pairs that are important for mining Chia. And how do you get reward in Chia coin? Your Chia farm will have 4,608 chains per day to win 2 Chia coin. To be rewarded Chia coin, your plot needs to pass the filter that compete with all other processed plots for the best proof of space to be rewarded Chia coin. Algorithm ensures your plot has 1,512 chains of passing a filter. A plot should pass the filter about 18 times in a 24-hour period. Once a plot passes the plot filter, it competes for the best proof of space with every other plot that also passes the plot filter. Each plot is competing to have the best proof of the space, where the chance of the getting a reward are dependent on the total size of plots in your firm. Okay, thanks for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye, guys.